Alright, I just changed the passenger hub assembly on my 97 Wrangler right there. It's got 140,000 miles. I was hearing a crunching kind of popping noise as I was driving, so what I did is I jacked it up on the passenger side and grabbed the wheel at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock and pulled back and forth like this. If it's able to move, it usually signifies a bad wheel bearing or hub assembly, and mine did. So I bought a Timken. Timken's a really good brand. It's a little more expensive. But as they say on at least on Jeep forum, is Timken or do it again. This one they're definitely a little better kind of quality than Duralast or any kind of, I mean, at least in my opinion. But this is the new one. I'll just show you. You know, it moves really easily. Bearings are good in shape. There's no play in it if I pull on it. I just want to show you the old one and show you how bad this is over here. So you can kind of hear the crunching noise, and that's the you see it's starting to peel back. You can actually kind of see the bearings in there, and they're popping around like crazy. It looks like one might have exploded or something because they're moving around really easily. It looks like one's missing. But here's the play, and that is crazy. Yeah, so this was pretty close, I would say, to coming apart, and if this did come apart, it would take my wheel with it. So if you do hear like a kind of a crunching noise, I mean, go get that diagnosed by a mechanic, or if you know how to do it. It's pretty simple. Just jack it up and grab the wheel 12 and 6 and just pull on it like that. And if it moves, then it's usually a bad wheel bearing. But yeah, I just wanted to show how bad my wheel bearing is. I'm going to throw this new one on, and that will fix my issue.